Tooth. This is the second part of the cherry pie cooking. I couldn't pause the camera because I haven't worked it out yet because I'm a complete jock. Today we'll be looking at this and we'll be serving it with some soft scoop Cornish ice cream from asdas. Okay. Remember, this is Quality Foods, Family Mirror cherry pie, £1.25. Could be anything, guys, probably asda, Tesco, M&S. So, look at that. Oh. Birthday with cherries. Right. I'll try and get this out. I'll try and do it normally. As I say, the pastry itself, when it's hot, it'll be better when it's slightly cool, but I'm just doing it now. Alright, obviously this is just for speed. I'm going to try some of this asda Cornish ice cream. Now I don't rate this at all. It's okay, but it's not very Cornish, it's not very creamy, you know. So that's what I think of that. There you go, guys. That's a quick look at Quality Foods from me. I'll just taste it before. What do you mean tasting? Gay voice. What am I gay? You don't know that. I could be and I could not be.
What do you know?
I think my view is guessing. Tastes good. Yeah, that's good, guys. So if you see one, pick one up for the family. I reckon that'll feed four. Thanks, guys, for watching. See you later from Gay Tony. Or maybe not. Oh!